It's been booming as well, but as soon as the year 2000, it's been
Feedback.
decreasing again. No, decreasing.
It's been decreasing, not again.
Yeah, not
It's
again.
been decreasing for the first time ever. Okay, so what I think is interesting about this graph is that we really see the urban boom. We see that it really started, the boom, it started really after World War II, mostly. If you really see the lines, the boom started after World War II. Urbanization started earlier, but the boom started after World War II.